Do you feel like your marriage is suffering? Here's how to fix it. Hey guys, my name is Natalie Lasso. I help business owners fix their marriage. If your marriage feels distant, tense, or like it's slowly falling apart, it's not because the love is gone. It's because something fundamental has been neglected. You're grinding in business, pushing for success, but at home, something feels off. She's emotionally checked out. The connection isn't what it used to be. But here's the truth. You're not stuck. You can shift this dynamic starting today. Let's get into it. When your wife feels disconnected, it's often because your presence is missing. And I don't mean just like physically being there. I mean fully engaged, aware, and emotionally available for her. When was the last time you looked her in the eyes without distraction? The last time you actually felt her energy. Women respond to presence. If she feels you're always somewhere else, lost in business, on your phone, or in your own head, she'll start pulling away. Presence is powerful. Start practicing it now and you'll feel the shift right away. Which brings me to my next point. Address the unspoken resentment. Most struggling marriages are weighed down by unresolved resentment. She might not be saying it outright, but her energy tells you everything. Cold responses, less affection, a sharp edge in her tone. Resentment builds when she doesn't feel heard, valued, or prioritized. And if you're ignoring it, it turns into a wall between you and her. The key? Break the silence. Open the space for a real, honest conversation. Lead with, I feel like there's something between us. I want to understand what's really going on. She might resist at first, which she will, but if you stay grounded, open, and non-defensive, she'll start sharing. That's where healing begins. You dominate in business because you have a vision, take action, and adapt when needed. But are you applying that same level of leadership at home? Many men don't. They become passive, waiting for their wife to dictate the emotional tone of the relationship. But a strong marriage needs strong leadership. This doesn't mean controlling. It means setting the tone, creating the space for connection, and taking responsibility for the energy you bring. Do you want her to lean in again? Show her you're in this fully, with intention and clarity. Listen, your marriage doesn't have to suffer. You can turn this around and I can help. If you're ready to stop guessing and get the exact framework to fix your marriage and reconnect with your wife, book a call with me. Link to book is in the description. We'll see if this is a fit and map out how to transform your marriage in 90 days. Click the link and let's talk.